Well, you're definitely looking like you've got something to hide. Why are you looking so shocked? What? You just found my thing, the prime, in Chloe's bag, so you don't need to check mine as well. Sasha, I said I was doing a bag search. Right. Now, that meant the two of you. Okay, so I've done Chloe's, and now it's your turn. So, hand over the bag, now, please. I don't feel comfortable with you searching my bag, though. I don't consent. Okay, well, how about we take it to Miss Savage's office, and she can search your bag. How about that? Fine. Okay, good.